Hey dudes, today I want to make a video to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who is watching this video or has liked one of my videos or subscribed to my channel or just generally shown support to me in this last year. It's been a great year. I was able to make YouTube partner, which is really exciting. I made this channel all the way back in the pandemic, if you remember that. Hopefully you don't try to remember it. But I am and was teaching at the USC Film School. And at the time, I was really just trying to find a way to stay connected with everybody and to continue teaching at a high level and teaching slowly and clearly. I am also post-production manager here now at USC and at the film school, and it's been really exciting for me. I've actually met all of the representatives, including the CEO of Avid, and we've talked about my YouTube channel. So with that being said, I really hope that I can get your guys' blessing and support. I just want to expand the channel a little bit. I am a big hip-hop fan. I like to make hip-hop beats, and I've made a bunch of hip-hop beats, and I have finally created a Bandcamp channel with all of my beats. You can use the code HeyDudes, and you will get a discount. I just wanted to let you know that this will help the channel. I use it to buy equipment like this microphone, the lighting, the green screen. I've also been able to hire a content manager. Shout out to Maya. She also edits my videos so that I can just record a bunch of stuff, ship it over. We can brainstorm, we can work together, and really just make the channel the success that it is. The second announcement that I want to make is that I want to create more content like the horror ambience with and without music that I have out that you guys have been streaming, and I'm ever so grateful for that. And I want to create more things like this. So I don't know if you guys know, but I also like to skateboard, and I'm learning skateboarding. So I'd like to release, maybe once a year, my skateboard progress with one of my beats. And I don't know, maybe get to know me a little bit more outside of just me here in this little box with Pro Tools. The third announcement is that I am going to add a store page, and I'm going to include things like templates on this store. And then I'll probably jump back on the YouTube page, explain how to use those things, have a discount code, all of that same stuff. So that's in process right now. I'm working on that. I'm excited about that. I want to share that so you guys can just jump into your projects. But that'll be another way that you can support the channel. This is always going to be an educational channel at heart. And it means a lot to me to have worked my way up to being a professor and a post-production manager at a big film school here at USC. And it's super meaningful to exist in the community that I make videos for. So basically someone knocks in my office or I'm teaching a class and a problem is presented, and then I go, hey, that's a YouTube idea. So that's all. I was just excited, just wanted to pop in. I haven't ever done a video like this where it's just a little bit more of me personally. But yeah, that's some of the other stuff that I get down with and my passions and things that excite me. So I hope that you can continue to find value in this channel. And if you have found value in this channel and you want to support in other ways, that's awesome. If you guys like these types of videos, I'll pop in every once in a while and say hello. But anyways, thank you again. It's been really, really cool. I'm super excited about everything that this channel has become. And until next time, later dudes.